Unit 1 is complete. Complete unit test. Within that unit test, you have to consider the unit number 1. I just shared the syllabus with you. Just wait a minute. PDF is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So unit 1 is complete. Okay, it is about the basic machine, finite state machine, concept of Millet and Murray machine, interconversion of Millet and Murray, then FSM with epsilon mu, minimization. This all is complete. All these topics are complete. Related to the unit number 2, also it is complete. That is what is RE, how to build the RE, that is a regular expression, how to convert DFA to the RE or RE to the DFA. Okay, properties of regular set. All these things are covered by the parts itself. Now we have started with unit number 3. Okay, so whatever the points we are going to complete, maybe up till this point, that is a removal of epsilon production, then a removal of useless symbol, removal of unit production, removal of ambiguity. This point we are going to cover up till the unit test. So up till this, we have to consider the syllabus of the unit test 1. Understood, students? And material, that is a PPT and the recorded video, is provided within the files of that Microsoft team. If you know that there is a tab 1, post and then files. Within that files, there is a folder for the TOC. Okay, so just go to that folder. You are going to obtain the slides also, recorded video also for unit number 1. Then accordingly, I will paste it for the unit number 3 also. Slide is already there. Just I am going to place the videos also. So you can also download the recordings. Okay. So I request all of you to please download the recording so it is available to you at any time. Clear? In recording also you can directly go into the recordings and you can download the recordings. Clear? In files there is a recording folder. If you observe, there is a post, files, class notebook, assignment, grades, and insights. So within that, within files, there is a recording folder. So you can obtain the recordings of all the lectures of all the subjects. Clear to everyone? So any doubt within any topic? If you don't any doubt, then we have to start with the next topic. So please tell me if you have any doubt.
Sir, paper style.
Okay, paper style we will decide because When you are coming here for the offline lectures, then we will decide it because it is not at fixed. If it is online, then it is online like you have to come to the college and you have to appear for the exam here on the college PC, or you have to give it offline, or you have to give it online from home. It will be clarified when you are in the campus. Clear? So at that time we will decide the pattern. But obviously it is a numerical subject, so you have to solve the numericals. Okay? Clear? Any another doubts,
Yes,
students?
sir.
Suppose it's a MCQ in any case, okay, in any situation, suppose. So within that MCQ also the example is given, then a solution may be provided within the options, or maybe the any intermediate state is provided within the option, so that you have to identify. This kind of MCQ question may be there, okay? But obviously it is based on the numerical because it is a numerical subject. Any another doubts, students? How many marks for the unit test? Anyone remember? कितने marks के होती है unit test?
30.
Hmm. And time? How much time?
1 hour.
Correct. So one simple guideline to you that please practice to solve the examples, because some examples may require more time, some require less time. And if you solve every examples at least once before the exam, it is good practice. If you directly solve the example at the time of exam, then if you stuck at some level, then it is difficult to give more time to only one example. So yeah, if you are able to solve the another examples, then there is a shortage of time. So at least solve one time before you appear for the exam. One at least one time every type of example. Whether it is simple Murray to Millet or Millet to Murray, then also you have to solve it at least once. Okay. Student, any doubt within any topic? Please reply. How many of you remembers that? Hello students, I am audible to you. Please reply. You can reply in the chat box also. So student, we have started with the simplification of context-free grammar. So related with this topic, which point we have discussed in the last session? How we can simplify the context-free grammar? Okay, student, within this simplification, we have considered one topic about the how we can simplify the context-free grammar. Okay, student, within this simplification, we have considered one topic about the identification of certain symbol. What is the name of that symbol? Please reply. No one remembers, students? All of you are present in the last session or not? There is a concept of useless symbol. So anyone remembers that what is useless symbol? The concept of useless symbol. We are going to identify the useless symbol from the given production rule. So what is the useless symbol? In the last session, we have solved some example based on that. Any one of you, please reply. Okay, so you just remind it once. After that, I will discuss with you about the simplification of context-free grammar. That there are three ways basically to simplify, or we can say to clean the context-free grammar. So to clean the context-free grammar, we need to eliminate the useless symbols. Okay, so what is useless symbol and how it should be eliminated, that we will see again. We already discussed this point within the last session. The next, simplification. Okay, so simplification means eliminating the epsilon productions and eliminating the unit productions. It is called as an simplification of the grammar. Clear? Now, what is epsilon production? When we write down the production in this way, that is A produces epsilon. Okay, so this kind of production is called as an epsilon production. When we write down like this, A produces B, that is on the left hand side of production, single non-terminal. On the right hand side, there is also only one non-terminal. Only one non-terminal on the both hand side. That is on the LHS also, on the RHS also. Such a kind of production is called as an unit production. So we need to eliminate this unit production. So why there is a need to eliminate such a unit production? Why there is a need to eliminate the epsilon production, that we have to discuss one by one. Clear? So first we are going to observe this useless symbol, that what is a useless symbol and why there is a need to eliminate the useless symbol and how to eliminate the useless symbol. Clear? When we are eliminating this useless symbol, so it means that we are going to clean that grammar. Clean that grammar is also known as a simplification, but for the specific bifurcation, the cleaning means deleting or eliminating the useless symbol, and simplifying means eliminating the epsilon production and eliminating the unit production. So let us start with the useless symbol. That useless symbol means we have to clean up the grammar. Now, how to identify the useless symbol? Okay, if it is reachable, then it is a useless, then it is a useful symbol. If it is generating, then it is a useful symbol. If it is not reachable, then it is useless symbol. If it is not generating, then it is a useless symbol. Okay, so I just write down here, if not reachable, then useless symbol. If not generating, then it is a useless symbol. Okay. Now, what is reachable, that we will see now, and what is generating, that also we have to observe. Understood, students? So please concentrate that what is reachable symbol and what is the generating symbol. Based on that, we have to understand that what do you mean by the reachable and how it is reachable and what is the importance, how what is the importance of this reachability in the generation of string. All these things we have to understand. Clear? So I will discuss with you now what is a reachable symbol and what is a generating symbol and what order we have to follow to remove this non-generating symbol or non-reachable symbol. What is the order? Means first we will remove the non-reachable or non-generating. That also we have to discuss. So first I will clear you the concept of not generation and the not reachable. Okay. So if we write down the production like this, that is S produces A, B, then C and D, and A produces, next, suppose A, C, and B produces small b, and C produces E, and D produces N, small n. Okay. So whenever we are going to generate a string, how we are going to generate a string? With the help of starting symbol. So starting symbol is having two productions over here. So we will write down that one by one. First for AB and then for CD we are going to generate the production. So S produces CD. So S produces A and B. So this A, we are using the leftmost derivation. So this A is replaced with what? The production of A, that is AC. What is the production of A? AC. So terminal A and non-terminal C. Then B here. Next, as it is a leftmost derivation, we have to replace this C. So this C is replaced with what? E. E. And next this B is replaced by the small b, which is the production of non-terminal B. So here is the string that we obtain with the help of this first production, that is A, E and B. And when we consider this C and D, so this C is replaced by E and it is D. So here it is the string. Clear? So if you observe here, within this AB, okay, within this first production AB, okay, we will see the reachability now. How many non-terminals here? S, A, B and C. So we will check that this ABC, this is the starting symbol. So from this starting symbol, the A is reachable or not? B is reachable or not? C is reachable or not? This thing we have to check. So A and B are present within its production, so they are reachable. C is also present within its production, so they are reachable. And another non-terminal is here, that is a D. Okay. So, but D is not appearing in the production of S. D is not appearing in the production of S. That is non-terminal D. This one. This one is not appearing in the production of S. Okay. So it is not reachable or not, that we have to check. It is not in the, so first step we are going to check within the start symbol production. Start symbol production. Okay. So in start symbol production, if the non-terminal is not appearing, then we have to move towards the step number 2. That we have to check that this non-terminal D is appearing in the production of any another non-terminal. Okay. As this non-terminal D is appearing in any another non-terminal production. No, it is not appearing here. If it is appearing somewhere here, that is for example here, then we say that it is reachable, but it is not appearing here in any production of any another non-terminal other than starting symbol. It is not appearing in any production. So this D is not reached by any another non-terminal. Means it is not in the production of any non-terminal. It is not in the production of starting symbol. It is not in the production of any another non-terminal, which is in the starting symbol. Clear? So this D is not reachable. The non-terminal D is not reachable. Understood? Why it is not reachable? Because it is not in the production of starting symbol and it is not also within the production of other non-terminals which are present within the starting symbol production. Which are the other non-terminals which are present within the starting symbol productions? That is A, B and C. These are three non-terminals which are appearing within the starting symbol production. But this D is not appearing within the starting symbol production nor in the production of A, in the production of B, in the production of C. It is not appearing anywhere. So we can say that D is not reachable from any non-terminal. As it is not reachable, we need to eliminate that non-terminal, which is not taking in the part of string generation. Then it is not useful to us. So we need to eliminate such a useless symbol. Understood? It is called as an non-reachable symbol. Clear to everyone? Next, we have to check the generating symbol. Okay. So generating symbol means what? That a non-terminal must have at least one production such that that production is able to produce or that production is consist of only terminal symbol. Such a production generating means what? The non-terminal is having such a production that that production consists of only terminal symbols. Okay, only terminal symbols. Such a non-terminal production is known as a generating if it is consist of only terminal symbols. Clear? So if you observe here, B is having only terminal symbol here, C is having only terminal symbol here within their production. Okay, so these are generating. Now this A is generating or not? So indirectly it is generating. How it is generating? If you observe the production of A, it is A, C non-terminal. So this C can be replaced by small e, that is a terminal E. So indirectly this production is also generating. Okay, now we will consider the example of non-reachable, like non-reachable is D here. Now again another example we will consider. So before that we will consider the example of not generating. Okay, so I just write down one grammar over here, that what is not generating. So if you write down the production in this way, that is suppose CD, okay, then C produces A, B and E, then D produces, and here suppose we again consider A, then D produces F, okay, and E produces C, B. So if you observe here, this E non-terminal is not going to consist of any production which consists of only terminal symbol, directly or indirectly. If you observe here that C is having two productions, AB and EA. Okay, I just remove the remaining things now. So if we want to produce a string from this, so how we are going to produce the string? So S produces CD. So this C can be replaced by any one production. So suppose first time we replace it with the AB. Then this D is replaced by F. Okay, it is the first time ABF. Then S produces CD. Then this C is suppose replaced by EA and this D. Next time this E is replaced by what? C, B, then next A and D. Now this C we have to replace with any one of this production. So either we will replace it with AB or with EA. Again suppose we replace it with the EA, B, A and D, then this cycle will continue. That is, we will replace C by EA, then E by CB, like this. Okay, it is not going to end. Why? Because this is not generating any another production which consists of only terminal symbol. Okay, if it is generating only a terminal symbol directly or indirectly, then it is a generating symbol. Otherwise, it is called as an not generating non-terminal. Okay, so we will see the examples one by one. If it is generating and reachable, then it is only a useful symbol, otherwise not. If it is generating and reachable both, then it is a useful symbol, otherwise it is a useless symbol. So what is the order of detection? That first generating symbol, then reachable symbol, or first reachable symbol, then generating symbol. So first we need to eliminate all the not generating symbol. It is the first. So please remember this sequence. To detect the useless symbol, We have solved some examples yesterday. These are the simple examples. Okay. So now we have to understand that within first step we have to identify the not generating symbols, and within step number 2 we have to eliminate all the not reachable symbol. Okay. Now this sequence is very important. If we don't follow this sequence, we are not going to obtain the correct grammar without the useless symbol. Means we are having, if we do not follow this order, then we must have at least one useless symbol there, or unreachable or not generating symbol is there. Okay. So let us consider now how to detect the useless symbol, that is how to detect the not generating and not reachable symbol. So here it is an example. S produces non-terminal A, B and A. And next production is what? Non-terminal A produces B. Okay. So here if we observe that S and A having the productions, so they are, we can say, generating, and they are also having the one production with the terminal symbol only. With the terminal symbol only. Here also A produces B only. There is a terminal symbol. So S and A are generating, but here the another non-terminal is also present, which is a non-terminal B. So for this non-terminal B, there is no any production. Okay. So B is not generating here because production of B is not provided. So we can say that B is not generating. Therefore, B is the useless symbol. Okay. This is the concept of not generating. Next, so after eliminating this B, we are and its related production, we are going to obtain the new productions as S produces small a, that is a terminal A, and A produces B. Now, if you observe here within these two productions, that is S produces A and A non-terminal A produces B. So S is our starting symbol, and S is only going to produce what? Terminal A. Means only one string is there that this production is going to produce, that is A only. This A, this non-terminal A is not reachable. It is not in the production of starting symbol. It is not in the production of starting symbol. So it is not going to appear anywhere. So as it is not going to appear anywhere, so it is not reachable. It is not reachable. Why A is not reachable? As I told you that it is not appearing in the production of starting symbol, and therefore this A is a useless symbol. Previously we have found that B is a useless symbol, and here now A is the useless symbol. So what is the result in the production? That is S produces A. Only S produces A, it is a simplification. Clear? How to remove the useless symbol? So here just one point, that if we reverse the order, then what should be the condition? Okay. Reverse the order means what? First we will check the reachable. Okay. And secondly we are going to check the not generating. Here we first found the not reachable. So if we found the not reachable, that is here S produces uh, A and A produces B. So here we are also going to write down AB along with this A. Why? Because it the not reachable. Not reachable means what? Just we have to check whether that non-terminal is present or not. Okay, means it is going to have the any production or not. Okay, so that not generating we are going to check first. Then this production is eliminated, AB, because B is not reachable. Then what is the remaining thing? That is S produces A and A produces small b, that is a terminal B. So not generating we have to check now. Okay, we have reversed the order. It is a reverse order. Reverse order. Okay. So here S is also generating, A is also generating. So here it is the final answer for this if we reverse the order. But here S produces A and A produces B. If we write down it is our final grammar, then there is a problem. Why there is a problem? Because A is not reachable by any way, because it is not appearing in the production of starting symbol. As it is not appearing in the production of starting symbol, so it cannot take a part into the string generation. So as it is not helping in the string generation, or it is not a part of string generation, then we have to eliminate that non-terminal. Okay. So please remember sequence is important. And what is the sequence? At first we have to eliminate the non-generating, that is which is not going to generate anything. And next we have to eliminate the symbols which is not reachable. Understood? So I request all of you to please follow the order. Clear everyone? So please follow the order so you can able to identify the correct useless symbol. Clear? Student, please reply that how many not generating and not reachable symbols over here. I just show you the slide again. That here, if you observe, that A is having the production, S is having the production, which is only generating the terminal symbol. So they are called as a generating. Then another thing about the generating, that B is that having no any kind of production over here. So it is not generating directly. So is there any non-terminal which is not having the production? Here how many non-terminals here? S, A, B, C and D. So what is the first thing we have to check? That every production is having the production, having any kind of production. S is having the some kind of production. A is also having the production. B is also having the production. C is also having the production. D is also having the production. Yes, every production is having the every non-terminal is having the at least one production. And second thing, what we have to check within this generating, that among this non-terminal, which non-terminal is having the production with the terminal symbol only. So A, non-terminal A is having directly a production with the terminal symbol. Okay, so we'll write down A over here. Next, B we can write down, because if we replace this A with this last production of A, that is, so it will be BBA. Yes. So we'll write down B here. So which are not generating here? C and D are not generating. If we consider here, the C is itself appearing, so it will be the loop. Then A, for this A we can substitute A, but for this C it will be a loop. The next D. D is not going to produce any terminal symbol over here. So for this D, either we have to substitute that BD or AC. So C is already in the loop. Then here D is also in the loop. So C and D are not generating here. A and B are generating. AC is generating and not reachable now. Now if we consider the starting symbol production SAB, so this A can be replaced by, suppose A and then B, then this B can be replaced by any one of production of B, that is A, B, B, A. So this A can be replaced with the again A. Just a minute, students. So here A and B are reachable. Now we will check for the C. Okay. So S produces AC. It is appearing in the production of a starting symbol. So obviously it is reachable, but it is not generating here. Okay. So we have to eliminate that C and D also. So here if we consider this A is replaced with the A, C is replaced with any one of its production. So that is A, B, C, A if we replace, then again we are going to obtain like this. This C is again we have to substitute anything for this. So suppose we have substituted another production B and this A can be replaced with the A using leftmost direction. Again this D is replaced with this production. So it is reachable but it is not generating. So they are generating the cycles over here only. So we need to eliminate that productions. So what we are going to obtain? So as we have to delete this C and D, so obviously we are going to obtain like this AB, AC. Then A produces whatever is the production of C, which includes C and D. We have to delete that A, B, then B, A, and A. Then B produces B, B, A, then A, B, then A, B. So C and D production is deleted. Only these things are remaining. Clear? And obviously this is going to consist of C, so we have to eliminate this. So only S produces AB and the productions of A and B are remain here. So that will be our answer. So here is the end of session. If you have any doubt, then please tell me, students. We need to close the session here now.